teachers and students. Assalamu alaikum.
Start in the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficial. Today we gather here to celebrate and acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our prefects. Being a prefect is not easy. It requires a great deal of responsibilities, commitment and leadership. Prefects play an important role in maintaining discipline, fostering a positive environment in classrooms. But remember, prefects play an important role in maintaining discipline, fostering a positive learning environment. But remember, being a prefect is not easy. It requires a lot of responsibility. It is about the responsibility that comes with it. Use your position wisely to uplift and support your fellow students. Be approachable, understanding, and kind-hearted. So let's start. I would like to invite Sir Ayaz. Please come and distribute sashes. Majbeen from class 10. Rafiq from class 9. Invite Hamza Javed from class 39. I would like to invite Sir Nafees from class 7. From class 5. Invite Mubarak from class 4. Now I would like to invite Barira from class 3. From class 2. Now I would like to invite Nisa from class 1.